Hi there everyone, today we want to give you some updates for Microsoft 365 applications. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe for all the latest updates, so let's get started. Our first update is in Microsoft Forms and is an update that will allow you to directly share a survey or quiz to Teams chats or channels from the Forms app. At the moment you are able to share a link to the form, so this update should make sharing surveys to people through Teams that bit easier. This update is due through August to early September. Our next update is for Microsoft's OneDrive. This update is going to allow you to share a document with review-only rights and will also be available for SharePoint too. With this update, when you open a document that was shared with you for review, you are automatically placed in review mode. Document owners or other collaborators who have full edit permissions will then need to approve the incorporation of any suggested changes to the document. This update is rolling out this month and you should have access to this by the end of August. Our third update is also in OneDrive. This update is going to give us a new activity column in the My Files list view. This will show us file activity and help us keep track of contributions such as user comments, edits, shares and mentions. This is due late August to early September. Our fourth update is for SharePoint, and this is going to allow us to create private drafts for pages and new posts. These private drafts will be visible to the page author and those whom the author chooses to share it with. You'll be able to create and edit content that isn't ready to be published yet. This update is due through August to mid-September. Our next update is for Microsoft Teams, and this new feature enables meeting organizers to pre-assign channel members to breakout rooms, both automatically and manually, ahead of a channel meeting. This is due by the end of August as well. Our next update is also for Microsoft Teams, and this new feature will automatically end meetings when identified as stale. If a user is the sole participant in a meeting for 10 minutes after the scheduled meeting end time has passed, a dialog will appear in the call prompting them to end the call or dismiss notification. If no action is then taken from the dialog within 3 minutes, the meeting will end automatically. If you dismiss the notification, you won't see it again for that same meeting. This update has been a bit delayed and is now due through mid-September to late October. Our 7th update is another Teams one, and it is Modern Meeting for Microsoft Teams web client. The desktop meeting and calling experience will soon be available for Teams on web in Chrome and Edge browsers. This will then include improved pre-join, dynamic view and control bar. This is also due late September to late October. The last update of the day is another Teams one, and it is a new feature in Teams that will enable users to record, review and send short lightweight video messages in Teams chats via the desktop or mobile app. This should be available during September. That concludes our updates for today, and we hope you're as excited as us for these new features. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.